And here we go. Finally, the Frosthaven is in. We're going to do a quick unboxing with all of the stuff that I got. Holy moly, what a beast this thing is on all the add-ons and everything else. Been waiting for this game after we have played in my group, Gloomhaven. Now we finally get to start Frosthaven. So, without further ado, let's get this going. So some of the first stuff you get in your box, I did the all-in pledge. You're going to get your glue. I don't know what kind of glue this is. Is this PVA glue? Is this model glue? I'm not sure, but that comes in there, so I'm sure that's got to go here pretty quick. All right, next we have the metal coins, and these are super high quality. These are super nice, very awesome. They come in 5 1s and 3s, coppers, looks like silvers, and golds, obviously, as you can see right here, clinking around, and you get a bunch of them inside your package. Next we have this map archive booklet or accordion folder, and if you open it up, you can see that it has all of these open spots for map archives. So pretty cool. Don't know what it's for yet, and I don't want to spoil it either. All right, next we have this removable sticker set. Removable vinyl stickers for locations, buildings, campaign enhancements, and seals. As you can see on the back, you have all of this stuff on there. I don't want to open it. I don't really want to see it yet, so I want to keep that just as is, but that's a pretty cool little neat factor they got going on in this version. Next, you have all of your solo scenarios in here for all of your characters. Again, they have all the symbols for the characters like in Gloomhaven, but you just don't want to know what they have. And this is the gear you're going to get, just like in Gloomhaven, if you pass the solo scenario by yourself. Next, you have this big old board thing. This is for all of your cutouts that you got to put together. So for your folded thing, you can see right here, all of these steps to put them together, building Legos. It's going to take a hot minute to do that. So it's on this agenda for this weekend. All right, here it is, the big box. Let's scoot that back a little bit. You can see that they have all of the awesome mountains and maps on here. You get your Frosthaven, everything else on here as well. All right, starting off in here, you have your Welcome to Frosthaven, basically telling you you need to get everything together, compiled into one thing before you do anything else, because this is a massive game, and if you mess it up, you're going to mess up the game. So you have that. You have your rule book. If you are familiar with Gloomhaven, I'm assuming it's very similar. I'm going to do a rule update as well. Oh, you have your hidden booklet that is sealed shut for right now. If you remember from Gloomhaven, this is actually lettering that you can decipher in the game. Next, you have your section book. Next, you have your scenario book for all of your scenarios. There's a ton in here. I think there's 100 in Gloomhaven. Looks to be a lot more. I don't want to peek through it because I don't want to spoil it as well. You have your campaign sheet to save your campaign. Very nice. And next up, you have your map. Ooh, the map is going to be hard. So, again, I don't know the full rules for this, but you have, I can just see on this portion, a wall, mining camp wall, craftsman, hunting lodge, all of this stuff that you get to build up your village, I guess you could say. Jeez. Next, you have all your stickers for what things do, it looks like. Purchasing enhancements, all of your enhancement stickers, all of your stickers that go onto there as well, and some type of herbs, mining, and you get to get 2 on that. While we continue to dig in, we have this nice little Frosthaven thing over here, and we continue to dig to all of our pieces right here on top of this. Oh my gosh, there's a ton. We're gonna have to dig some of this out. Taking the camera out, you can see all of our card decks, all of our battle decks, everything that goes along with that. Fable Town Guard, all of your standees, and underneath here is all of your amazing characters, your character envelopes, all of your cards, health counter, all of the demons and such as well. So Lots and lots and lots of stuff. Let's see if we can't figure out who is the miniatures in here. Let's look at a couple of them to see the quality. All right, here's your starting characters. Let's take a peek at some of them. Ooh, a little plastic now. A little different. Okay. Okay, much better quality than Gloomhaven. Super tiny, but very nice. Very, very nice. Pulling out the next one, you can really see that they did put a little bit more work and quality into this, and it looks really, really good. Actually fairly impressed. This is probably a little bit of a downgrade from GW or Kingdom Death, but still a high quality in here, so I'm fairly impressed. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm just looking at a couple of them and seeing the details of it, but so far so good. Very impressed. Even got the base with some stuff on there. So stay tuned for a little bit of a painting tutorial coming up, and I hope you like this video, and make sure you subscribe so you can see all of the painting tutorials on this.